Whoa. How'd she get there?
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Just kidding.
Good morning.
How you doing?
You don't need that, do you?
What the hell is it?
It's a drum.
No.
Nice.
That thing's heavy, huh?
Yeah, steel.
It's a little heavy guy.
Yep. You just got here, didn't you?
Yeah, I was trying to wait out that rain.
It rained awful hard.
Oh my God. Cats and dogs, I think. Did I miss anything?
Not that I know of. I found some stainless steel bolts.
Okay. Well, it's good seeing you.
Let the door slap in your ass.
Looks like I got here just in time for rotation.
Yeah, they had all 4 of them down. I got them this morning.
Really? It's gonna be a good day then, right? I thought you said you were done with those. You can't?
Well, I could, but I'm not going to.
You love a good Sharpie, huh?
Yep.
What do we got here?
Okay.
What's in here? Turtle. I've got so many hats. I'm so sick of hats.
It's chicken.
Is that Team Rocket or is that just something somebody made? It's all messed up, so. Oh, look it up.
You don't need any line filters, do you? Brand new line filter.
No, I don't think I have a use for that. You see this?
You know? Looks like it's old.
Yeah.
Old.
Look it up. What's this? Type 1. What's that? Is that it? I guess she's just gonna open it.
You need a good mouse trap.
For your mouth, maybe.
Thank you. Thank you.
They're open, they're off. Let's go. Wow, this looks pretty good. There he is.
Like how we got some pictures, but
oh, mask. It's like McDonald's toys mostly, I think. Isn't he good? I don't know. Oh, Lord, he's big.
Hey. That's old.
Nintendo adapter. I need that. I need it.
Let me hit you over the head with that.
Swelling of the fluid sac surrounding the brain.
Damn.
Well, have you found anything exciting?
Maybe. I don't think so, but maybe.
You never know.
We've got some maybes. What these little mice? Is that supposed to be a mouse or? You can check it out. I had that when I was a kid. Oh. How'd I miss that? McDonald's toy. Belts are a little squeaky today. Come on. Hey, Shirley. I'm here. How are you doing? Trying to find some good stuff today. Already got this. Broken. Doing a heck of a job.
Thank you.
Getting them Legos. Did you go to school with that guy?
I don't know him.
My name is Jeff.
You sure?
He looks like somebody used to live down the street from me.
You always say that. You must have some real lookers down the street.
Yes.
Is it a magnet? It's a magnet. Let's go.
How about this?
I don't think so. Yeah, it's...
My very first find today was a Nintendo Switch.
What? Where you going?
I'll go take a shit.
What?
Where's the Switch at? Was there any games in it or just a Switch? Well, still a Switch or a Pokemon or something.
You see this? It's an LED one.
Look at that. Is it good? Maglite, that's a big one.
Yeah. You know they'll repair them free.
They will?
Yeah. Actually, I've got one returned because it had batteries that go in.
Huh. Maglite.
It's an LED. If the switch is okay,
Yeah, I
it
think
feels
it's...
okay. All right, I'm going.
All right. Good luck.
One eternity later.
Keeping out vampires.
I thought you were a vampire. I gotta work. What do you... We got a new belt to look at.
Oh, it's open?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't tell me. You actually did.
God dang it. Yeah. My God. You're gonna rack your nuts on that, dude. Ooh. Look at that.
I don't like sharks.
I don't either. Well, this was a whole bunch of nothing.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hello.
They're kind of cool. Yo.
See you tomorrow.
Where are you going?
I'm got an eye appointment.
Okay.
Got to eat lunch.
All right, well.
Take a shit, and I also took an ibuprofen, just so you know. In that order.
Well, hopefully everything works out for you at the eye doctor.
No, it already did.
Okay. All right.
You hear about the constipated mathematician that worked it out with a pencil?
No. God. That's ornery. See you, Bryce. You too. Kind of rough day, yeah. Whoa, Jellycat. Found me another one. I found a Jellycat bear in here the other day. $16. Not too great. 25 bucks. Not much. Brian already found it and he already left. The Switch. You got the Switch.
He's like, I said, where was that? He's like, right here. I was literally standing right there like 3 minutes before it.
Was it in something or was it?
No, it's laying there perfect. I didn't even think about it.
That's crazy.